Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. I'm literally on the street here trying to figure out how I can get a cab. I don't know if that's how you do it. I don't know how to call a cab. Oh yeah, that worked. Okay, awesome. I got a cab. Whoa. Hola, mi amigo. Centro Maya Shopping Mall.
Centro Maya?
Yes, gracias. Well, that worked. I was able to just go out and get a cab. It's almost like in Jamaica, where you can just walk out on the streets and get a cab, but these cabs they almost feel like the New York type of US taxi cab service. You wave it down or whatever. But anyway, we're heading to the mall. Alright, so as easy as that, I got to the mall. It was about 1 mile away. It's not so far, and it cost me 40 pesos, so that's 40 pesos. Pretty cheap, right? As you guys can see, the mall is pretty big, and I'm sure this is not one of Mexico's biggest malls at all. It's just the closest mall to me that I chose. That's a gym that my Airbnb host took me to. Unfortunately, he couldn't take me there quite often because, you know, he has work and other stuff to do, but whatever. We got a few stuff. Judah asked me to get her some sundresses. Oh, I love sundresses. They are the plug. So I'm just walking around to see. There's a Nike store somewhere around there too, but I'm walking around to see if I can get some food. And yeah. Before I decide on what I'm gonna get to eat, I'm just gonna walk around the mall and see what they had. I did do a quick search on Google and stuff. Speaking about Google, you might realize when I go into a cab or a bus or whatever, I always have my Google Maps open, because I mean, some of you watch me on the vlogs and you guys think that I might be naive, like, oh, Mexico is a great place or whatever. I always tell you guys, when you're going somewhere, be careful, look around, you know, be very observant. So I have my Google Maps open so I can see that the driver is going in exactly the direction that I need to get to. Not saying that I'm trying to stereotype people, but maybe they didn't understand what I said I wanted to go or where I wanted to go, so I'm always aware. I'm just currently in like a shoe store, Nike and all that stuff. I'm honestly just here looking because I don't intend on getting anything here because my suitcase is already like packed. But I guess the next time I travel to Mexico, I'll definitely just come with no clothes, just an empty suitcase. Ooh, fresh glasses, man. Maybe I'll see one that I like here. Yeah, this one looks a bit too extra maybe, but it's dope. Alright guys, it's good to ask questions because I saw these, and they're pretty nice. But I wasn't so sure, but there's a discount, 50%. So there were 400, which is like 20 USDs, but now it's like 200, she said. So let me look a bit deeper. All right, so I have like two choices here. This one, I like colored lenses, and then gracias, thank you. And then this one, basic dark, but it has a nice contrast with my hair. Which one will I choose? Voila. Adios. Yeah, so I chose this one. I kind of matches my shirt. I like it. All right, and that cost me about 10 bucks. All right, guys. You might be wondering why am I in the makeup store? Of course, Judah. She did ask me for some makeup brushes, but how I search for stuff normally, like I will see a brand and I'll search for the brand and ask the internet, you know, is this brand really good? But I don't think this is really a good makeup part because they have some e.l.f. brushes, but it's not really like a set, and I don't think that's the one that she would like anyway. So if anything, I might just order those from Amazon, I don't know, or from the Morph store, I believe is a good one. Who knows, man. Yeah, I'll take a traditional churro And coffee? Maybe like a cold one?
Do you want frappe or any coffee with ice?
Any coffee with ice, maybe. So as you guys can see, I got a churro. It's not my first churro, but it's the traditional one. I still want to try one from the streets, like from a vendor. I've had these already in New Jersey. They were pretty good. So let's see how they do it in Mexico. If I'm to be honest with you, at first when I was eating this, I was just like, okay, I see why people like it. It's sweet, you know, it's crunchy and the inside is soft, but I was like, maybe the insides are a bit raw, but they're not. It's just that the inside is very, how can I say, cakey. And after eating through all of this, I think I like churros. I think I might, I don't think, I'm gonna try to find a traditional churro spot. I don't know, someone did send me a link to a place. Maybe on my next trip, I will get to do that. To go. Thank you, gracias. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Okay, thank you. Yeah, one of my subscribers sent me a link. Shout out to Renee about this cool place that does churros, but I think it's in Mexico City, so. 75 pesos? Thank you. 75. Wow, that is very good. Very good. That's probably one of the best cappuccinos I've ever had, apart from my dog. Wow. Yeah, for those who are wondering, what do you mean apart from your dog? My dog's name is Cappuccino, that's why. But it's really good. Normally when I get like coffee drinks, sometimes they're kind of like too icy or too watery, but this one is great and it's very milky. Wow, look at that. It's very beautiful, right? All right. I'm still surprised at how good this cappuccino is, but yo, Mexico is by far it's a biking place, man. Like, if I were to live here, I'd definitely have a car and a bike. I've never ridden a bike before. No. Bikes are just always on sale. Even though I wouldn't want any of these because they seem pretty slow. But yeah. Alright, so that's a beauty supply store. Let's check inside and see if I can find something for Judah and the whole makeup situation. Alright, so I just went into a beauty shop just now. Saw a brush set that, you know, we've been messaging back and forth with Judah. She saw one that she thinks she might like and a bag. So I'm just gonna do one last look around in this part because I think I've walked all the malls so far and that's been the best option. But yeah, that's pretty much what's up. I don't know, it feels nice shopping for my girlfriend, to be quite honest. I don't know, maybe that's just me, maybe I'm strange, but yeah. Alright guys, so after like almost an hour of deliberating, I got some stuff for Judah. Yeah, and I'm just here chilling and oh cool, my friend sent me insider.com. They posted me on their channel or something where they featured a tour that I did, so that's kind of cool. Yeah. But besides that, I'm just here chilling. Or matter of fact, my friend sent it, so it's on Insider's Twitter link, I believe. I'm not on Twitter, but yeah. I'm just here in the mall, just sitting down for a bit because I did see all the stores. I haven't gotten anything for myself as yet, but yeah, as I said, my suitcase is pretty much full, so another time I'll do all that. Yeah. So you guys might realize that I stopped at a sushi spot. Yeah, I was messaging Judah, that's why you hear the messaging coming in, because she's like a sushi expert. She loves sushi and kind of miss her right now, so I'm like, you know what, let's just have some sushi because, yeah, so let's see what she says. Alright, so I got my sushi. Well, here's the sushi over here. I got the exotic. That's the one that I got, which is like, I think, avocados, shrimp, I guess bananas, mangoes. I think this one has the mango. And yeah, this one is the uncooked one. This one is fried, but this is salmon with Philadelphia cheese. And I didn't go for that green sauce thingy. I went for ginger instead. So yeah. And as I'm here, I'm just trying to study a few like important phrases for me in my Spanish. But in this area though, people speak poquito español. Guys, I don't know what kind of ginger this is, but it is so, yeah, I can't use a chopstick, I'm sorry. It is so good. Like, it's nicely thin, it's spicy, and it's soaked in something because it's kind of sweet. And then this, I'm loving this. It's just salmon with Philadelphia cream cheese, fried. It's pretty good. Wow. Yo, let me tell you, both those sushis, the plantain one, really good. The mango one is good too, but I think I like the plantain one more because, you don't know, Jamaicans, we love plantains. I'm happy. It's raw sushi, but I am very pleased with it. It's really good. Alright, so I just got done having my sushi. I see this little ice cream spot or fruit type of thing. I'm gonna try it out and see what it is. You know, after you're done eating, you want some dessert. That's how I feel.
Fresa, durazno, y taro.
Okay, fruit? Is it fresh fruit? Amarillo. Yeah.
Do you want to try?
Yeah, thank you.
I have peach, strawberry, chocolate, and mango.
I'll try all three except chocolate.
Except chocolate.
Yeah.
¿Quiere podemos
This is ¿qué? Durazno.
Peach. Gracias.
Peach. Peach.
Peach.
Peach.
Wow, it's good. Wow, that's very good.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. See? Oh my gosh.
¿Y mango?
Do you like?
Yeah.
It's of yogurt.
Wow.
And this is mango. Mango, okay.
Y el taro, déjame probar taro.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay, mango.
Oh, ese.
Okay. Okay.
This is taro.
Taro.
It's like berry.
It's a berry?
Yes.
Mexican berry? Is it from Mexico?
Like this.
I want Mexican.
What?
Yeah, okay.
No,
Yeah.
but,
Gracias. Gracias, amigo. I try. So you say Cozumel? Cozumel is very good?
Yes.
Ah, gracias, mi amigo.
You're welcome.
Cozumel. The beach is better than La Playa del Carmen?
Yes.
I leave tomorrow. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, it's great. Alright, so I just got back in. I feel a little bit accomplished, if I'm supposed to be very honest with you, because, you know, it's the first time, apart from when I
took the cab from the bus station to get here. So first time actually just going out on the street and just waving on a cab and seeing how that works. I mean, it's not a complicated thing, but you know, when you're in a different country, you're a bit skeptical. And again, I'm not a naive traveler where I'm just gonna just walk out and just be like, yeah. Of course, if I need to do something, I'm going to do it. I'm not gonna let fear stop me, but yeah. So I paid 40 pesos to go where I was getting to, and then 50 back, because I gave him 100 pesos, he took 50. It's whatever. But the ride, like the drive to get there, man, to that mall, it was just only, how many minutes? Maybe not even 2 minutes. You feel me? So that wasn't so bad. But yeah, it's a great experience. So anyway, I want to end this vlog here. But before I even end it, like, you know, someone is telling me about Cozumel, going to Cozumel. Like, I do want to do all those places and go to all those things, but again, I'm just here getting acclimatized to, you know, where I'm at, the whole culture of everything. But you know, my next trip, I'm gonna definitely make it. But tomorrow I have to go back to Cancun, so that's kind of out of it for me. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Then I'm gonna show you like an in-depth video of around my area, like what it is like, to show you that, you know, this area might not be the best area, but you know, it's a real part of Mexico. But anyway, these three things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.